DWVO Makeup. Vanity with Large Lighted Mirror. The DWVO Makeup Vanity with Large Lighted Mirror is a remarkable addition to any beauty enthusiast's collection. This sleek and stylish vanity offers both functionality and elegance, making it an excellent investment for anyone looking to elevate their makeup routine. One of the standout features of this vanity is its large lighted mirror. The ample size of the mirror ensures that you have a clear and well-lit view of your entire face, allowing for precise makeup application. The lighting is bright yet soft, mimicking natural daylight to ensure that your makeup looks flawless in any setting. The pearl white color of the vanity adds a touch of sophistication to any room decor. It effortlessly blends with any interior style, whether it be modern, traditional, or minimalist. The white furniture finish not only adds to its aesthetic appeal but also makes it easy to clean and maintain.
The DWVO Makeup Vanity with Large Lighted Mirror is a must-have for makeup enthusiasts and professionals alike. With its stylish design, large lighted mirror, and ample storage space, it offers convenience and elegance in one package. Whether you are a makeup beginner or a seasoned artist, this vanity will undoubtedly enhance your beauty routine.